Welcome back, dear students. In this video, I am going to discuss about the grammar section which is prescribed for BA first semester of Bidar University, Bidar. The topics which are prescribed for the BA first semester are the parts of speech, then tenses, then kinds of sentences, and articles. These are the four topics which are prescribed for the BA first year students of Bidar University, Bidar. The first one is parts of speech, and the second topic is on tenses, and the third topic is on kinds of sentences, and the last one is on articles. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the parts of speech. Dear students, I am going to make a series of videos about this topic, parts of speech. So let us understand what is the meaning of parts of speech. Before going to understand parts of speech, let us understand what is sentence. What is sentence? So as all of you might have known that sentence is a group of words. Just I am telling you, look at this one. So this is a group of words. This is a group of words. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 words, and this is called as a group of words. But the thing is that Raju going into school, even though it is a group of words, it does not complete the meaning. Let us look at the another sentence. Look at the second sentence, that is, Raju is going to school. Perhaps you may catch an idea here. You may get a meaning out of this sentence. So let us understand what is the difference. This is also a group of words. Here, in this group also we have 5 words, and in this group also we have 5 words. But the thing is that the first group of words does not give any meaning, but the second group of words completes the meaning. The difference is, in the first group of words, the words are not arranged in a proper manner. The words are not arranged in a proper manner, but in the second group of words, the words are arranged in a proper manner, in a systematic manner. That is why the second group of words gives us a complete meaning. So the second group of word is called a sentence. Perhaps you might have caught to the point here. That is, a sentence means a group of words which completes the meaning. So if the sentence should complete the meaning, the words in a sentence should be arranged in a systematic manner. That is why the sentence is also defined as a structured string. In a string, one structure is missed, the whole string collapses. Like the same way, in a sentence, if a single word is misplaced, or not properly arranged, then that group of word loses the meaning and it will not be called as a sentence. So, by this, it is clear that sentence is a group of words. It is a group of words that completes the meaning. Right. Now, if we look at this sentence, so we have 5 words in this sentence. So this is not a sentence because the words are not properly arranged. So now Raju is going to school is called as a sentence because it completes the meaning, because the words in this group are systematically arranged. Right. So then, now when we look at this sentence, we have 5 words, and these 5 words are called as parts of sentences. Each word is a part of this sentence. The study of these words means that which word should come first and which word should come second. So the study of this is called as parts of speech. Means that each part in a sentence has its own name, and the study of this name is called parts of speech. I hope all of you have got the meaning. Parts of speech is nothing but it is a study of parts of a sentence. In a sentence, each part is given its own name and each part has its own place in a sentence. The study of these parts of a sentence is called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. That is, the first one is noun, the second one is pronoun, the third one is verb and adverb, then adjective, then prepositions, then conjunctions, and the last one is interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech in English. Let us discuss one by one. First of all, let us discuss about noun. ನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಪದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನಾಮಪದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಾಮಪದ ಅಥವಾ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನೌನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Dear students, we are going to recognize a person, we are going to recognize a place, we are going to recognize an animal, and we are going to recognize a place by their names. We have given certain names to all these things, and the names which are given to them is called as a noun. For example, if we can see the name of a person, that is Raju, Lakshmi, Ravi. So these are all the names of, or you can say John. These are all the names of persons. So the names which are given to the persons are the name by which we can identify a person is called a noun. Then name of places. So we have given name to each and every place. For example, Bidar, Bangalore, then Singapore, then you can say Mumbai. These are all the names by which we are going to identify a place. So such names of places you can just we can say give the nouns, examples of nouns in a comment box. Then I will come to know whether you have understood my lecturing or not. Okay, these are the name of places and the name of things. You can say chair, right, table, fan, etc. So the name of the things. And you can say the name of the rivers. Ganges, Kaveri, Tungabhadra. Like this way, the name of the rivers, the name of the places, the name of the persons, or the name of the things, whatever it may be, if we are going to identify that thing by the name, and that name is called as a noun. I hope all of you have understood what is noun. Okay, then let us discuss about the second parts of speech. That is pronoun. Pronoun. Pronoun means, so we have already discussed about the noun. Right? Noun is a name of person, place or things. Right? So now the extra word is here, that is pro. Pro means, pro is a suffix which is added to, pro is a prefix which is added to noun. Then the meaning of this prefix pro is instead of. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಪ್ರೋ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನೌನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವೀಗಾಗಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬದಲಾಗಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಮಪದದ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. Hope you have understood the point. Right? That is, pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. A word which is used instead of a noun is called as a pronoun. For example, let us look at two sentences. Or let us say, John is a student. He is regular. He is regular to the class. So we have two sentences here. The first sentence is John is a student, and the second sentence is he is regular to the class. Now, in the first sentence, we are going to talk about John. John is a noun, as I have already told you. Then, now let us go for the second sentence. He is regular to the class. So here, he means, can you tell me who is this he? he is, that is John, because it is already mentioned in a previous sentence. So instead of using John, we are using he. So this is used instead of a noun. That is why this is called as a pronoun. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತು ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾಮಪದ ಜಾನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಪದ. ಇದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಜಾನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹಿ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ವೈ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಜಾನ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಜಾನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Definitely we can use a John, but why he is used here? Because so in these sentences we have only 2 sentences about John. Think that if we are making some 20-30 sentences, and if we are going to write a book on or the biography of a John, then there we have to make so many sentences, and in all the sentences we should go on using John, John, John. So the repetition of a noun does not seem fair. It does not seem fair. So to avoid the repetition of a noun, to avoid the redundancy of a noun, ನಾಮಪದ ಪುನಃ ಪುನಃ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಪುನಃ ಪುನಃ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾಮಪದದ ಮರುಬಳಕೆ ಅನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Dear students, the point is that the pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun, and it is used because it is used to avoid the redundancy, that is the repetition of a noun. So there are 3 persons of pronouns in English. That is first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun, first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. So in this we have singular and plural, ಏಕವಚನ ಮತ್ತು ಬಹುವಚನ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏಕವಚನದ ಪ್ರನೌನ್. ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವನಾಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸರ್ವನಾಮ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಮಪದದ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಂತ ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ, and in second person singular that is you, and the second person plural is the same, that is you. And in the third person singular we have 3 pronouns, that is he, she, it, and for all these 3 in plural we have only 1 pronoun, that is they. Right? These are the 3 types of pronouns. The first person pronoun, second person pronoun. First person pronoun ನಾನು, ಇದು ಬಹುವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯು, ಇದು ಬಹುವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀನು, ನೀವು ಅಂತ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ he, she, it, ಅವನು, ಅವಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಈ 3ಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ವನಾಮ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಅವರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅವಳು ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಆ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಅಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ ಯುವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀನು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವನು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅವನ, ಹಿಸ್. ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅವಳ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅದರ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಅವರು, ಇದು ಅವರ, ದೇ ಅಂತ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಇದು ಅವರ ಮನೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಾವು ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. My college is a possessive pronoun and I is a first person pronoun in singular. So this is all about the pronouns, and the pronouns are used on the basis of genders. Perhaps all of you know, ನಾನು ಸಣ್ಣದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, genders ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಗಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. Feminine gender, masculine gender, ನ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ ಹಾಗೂ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್, ಲಿಂಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಂಡಸುವನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಂತ ವರ್ಡ್, ಪುರುಷನನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೈನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುವಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ಓಕೆ, ನ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇವಾಗ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬೇಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಆರ್ ಎ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಬಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಬೇಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಟೀಚರ್ or a student may be a male or female, teacher may be male or female. Such type of genders are called as common genders. So based on these genders we are using these pronouns. Perhaps, dear students, you might have understood what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words that complete the meaning. Not only group of a word is called as a sentence, it should give us a meaning. Then only it is called as a sentence. And then secondly, we have discussed about the parts of speech. That is, there are 8 parts of speech. And in that we have discussed about a noun. Noun is a name given to a person, place or a thing, by which, a word by which we are able to identify a person, place or a thing. Then we have discussed about pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. There are 3 types of pronouns that we have seen today. That is, first person singular and plural, that is I and we. Second person singular and plural, that is you and you. And third person singular, that is he, she, it, and the plural is they. I hope you liked this video. You might have understood. If you liked the video, please like and share the videos and comment it. And we shall continue in the next video about the verb and adverb. Thank you very much.